This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease the speed on your Tesla vehicle when you have full self-driving enabled. Now, typically when you have full self-driving enabled, you can just scroll up or down with this wheel and it'll adjust your speed profile from like standard, sloth, or like chill to max, or like hurry. So you can just adjust it right there and you'll see it reflected on the screen. But with this video, I want to show you the different speed profiles. So I want to go down to the bottom left here and then just click this. Now, what we want to do is go over to where it says self-driving. Now, under self-driving, we have full self-driving selected. We can go to our different speed profile. Now, sometimes I notice the different speed profiles are widely different. So we can select our speed profile. Typically, standard is like 5 miles per hour over the speed limit. Mad Max is maybe like 15 or something like that. Let's say we don't like standard being so fast. We can make standard a little bit slower. So we can select standard and going down, and we can go to the offset speed. So we can go to -1. So it'd only be like 4 over, and then we got -2, it'd only be like 3 over. So sometimes I like to do that. So I might adjust this a little bit. So sloth is maybe a little bit faster, so maybe +1, and then chilled is maybe +1 as well. So you can see that's +1. So it looks like it's going to just stay on here. We can go to the absolute too if we want to have absolute limits or something like that. So we can try adjusting it under here. So just go to the speed offset and you can just make it a little bit slower. And I don't know how much slower we can make this. Can we make this a lot slower? So I wish I could do it by my specific speed profiles. So you can see -20. So then I would have to use like Mad Max. So maybe I'd put it like maybe -10 and then just use Mad Max or hurry most of the time. Because there are some situations where I want to go far slower than the speed limit, like maybe -10 to maybe like -15, because it just drives so fast in like parking lots sometimes. So I'm going to just try this out and see if I can get to work. Most of the time I'll probably just use like Mad Max or something like that, and then maybe I'll try this out. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.